Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to add background music or how you can add music on your vocal slides. So the simple way you can add music. So I will show you. You can see I have four slide here. So I will show you how you can add the background music. So so guys, I am on my Google slide and okay. So you have to first select if you want to apply the background music to all slide, then select the first slide and go to the insert, and here you can see the audio. Now you can upload audio from Google Drive, or you can upload from your Google Drive share with me, or you can upload from recent. So here you have to first go to the Google Drive and upload your audio here. Okay, after with the same email ID, then come to the Google slide, and in my tab you will see all your Google Drive audio file. You can search here by name if you have lots of audio file here. Now just select, then the audio file will be insert on first slide. Now you can just move on where you want. You can select it and you can make it large icon or small icon, whatever you want. Now just select on it. Now you will see the on your right side the format option. Go to the audio play, and here you have to select automatic. Okay, automatically whenever someone open your presentation, then audio will be play automatic, and you have to untick this, because if you want to play this audio to all slides, then you have to untick it and you have to tick on loop audio. Okay, you can also hide the icon if you want. If you don't want to show your icon here, you can hide it when someone you know play your presentation. Okay, okay, now you're done. Now someone open your presentation, the background audio will be open. Okay, you can also change the what second transparency here. Okay, you can also change transparency, brightness, contrast, drops, reflection. Yeah, position you can also change manually. You can change sound from here. Okay, sound limit, you can keep it sound limit medium. Okay, so now you can download your presentation from here. Okay, so let it download. Now if I open it, the sound will be play definitely. Let it open first. Okay, it's open, and now you can see this is sound format and the sound has been applied, and when you present it to anybody, the background sound will be play automatically. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.